this last project can be a little bit controversial, to be honest, if you ask me. If you actually have a problem that you encounter during the day, you can just pull up the app and then click on the microphone and just basically talk to the microphone. This app, if you actually build this app, I would definitely be interested in paying to using it, because this one right here is gold. Are you currently looking for an AI project you can work on and eventually make money out of it? Are you tired of working on meaningless projects and actually just want to build something that when people look at it, they're going to be like, yo, that is crazy? Well, today I have a curated list of 5 game-changing AI project ideas you can steal. You can steal these projects, build your project, and then put it out there. At the end of the day, I would absolutely love to try what you've built if you choose any of this project you can work on. Stick to the end of this video for the most exciting project idea. You don't want to miss this. So, heading straight forward to a video, the first project idea is an AI-powered idea organizer. And basically, this is an app that structures your thoughts and business ideas throughout the day. You know, we all have these moments where we feel inspired, right? So think of an app or build an app which people or your users can use to essentially structure their ideas during the day. And if during the day you're this kind of person that during the day you actually have some, interesting or innovative project ideas, or you actually have a problem that you encounter during the day, you can just pull up the app and then click on the microphone and just basically talk to the microphone. And you just say your ideas in an unstructured way, and basically you speak throughout the day, and the app organizes your thoughts into a structure, into like structured notes, right? And the AI powered agents conduct research on your ideas in the background. So you basically build AI agents in the background that pretty much do carry out research in the background and essentially conduct research and provide findings to those research. And this is pretty much at the later time, you can visit the app again, and then it's going to provide you a summary of the research findings, potential competitors, feasible insights, and everything in between. Now, this idea is definitely a game changer. Our second app idea here is an AI-powered therapist. Yeah, you heard me well. A mental wellness companion that provides personalized emotional support. So think of an AI system that you can basically talk to it whenever you want, at whatsoever time you want. Think of it like a therapist. You build a sort of therapist model and then you deploy it for users to be able to use it. Now, it's an AI-driven therapy available anytime, anywhere. Customizable sessions tailored to individual mental health needs, right? So pretty much, and then there has to be some sort of privacy concerns here, but you want to have your app, or you want to have this app to be very secure. Now, real-time emotional analysis and guided support for stress and anxiety management. So you want this app to act as a real-life therapist for your users. Now, the third project idea is actually quite unique. A goal-setting AI mentor. An app that helps users achieve long-term goals with structured guidance. So think of it this way. We all have goals, right? Maybe let's say I have a goal of building 20 SaaS products by the end of 2025. So what I would do is I would come to this app and I would enter my goal. And after entering the goal, I would basically interact with the app or interact with the model. And with my interaction with the model, we can essentially just set achievable goals, like short-term achievable goals. And this breaks down large goals into actionable steps, right? And basically track the process and offers motivation along the way. This is one thing. And another feature, which I think is very unique actually, because I am the sort of person, I can say I want to build 20 SaaS products by the end of this year. I can set the goals. You can basically do this in ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT, you just talk to ChatGPT and then you do this, right? Now, one unique feature which you can implement in this app to distinguish this someone using ChatGPT or whatsoever thing is you can integrate smart calendars and ensure goals completion. So basically, some people are procrastinators, right? You can procrastinate. You can do all of this in ChatGPT, but at the end of the day, if I can do this and I can add it to my calendar, I can, have this short-term goals, curated, and then it can automatically add them to my calendar and, basically reach out to me from time to time to ask me, hey, what's up with this thing? Did you complete this? Or what's up with that thing that you said you had to complete and what did you do about it? And stuff like that. Basically following up on you and making sure you're on track. And this app, if you actually build this app, I would definitely be interested in paying to using it because this one right here is gold. Now, the last but not the least project idea is a customizable smart receipt app. And basically, this is an AI-powered meal planner that adapts to your dietary needs and preferences. And some of the key features here is pretty much personalized receipt based on available ingredients. So you have like ingredients you can use vision models like Lava, which is open source, of course. Use these models and pretty much basically, or you can use OpenAI vision model, for example, for this. Nutritional tracking and smart meal planning, you get this. And here we have another one, AI suggestions for optimizing diet according to fitness goals. So let's say I'm trying to get a certain shape, for example, or I'm trying to cut down some weight, or I'm trying to lose some weight, for example, right? So I would pretty much use an app like this one to say, okay, if I want to eat something, I can, basically ask it, hey, do you think this actually eat this? How many calories this has, or things like this. So pretty much this one is more for health purposes. Now, before we head to the last project, I just want to let you know that if you've been watching up to this point and enjoy watching this video, please smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, drop down a comment below, and please, this really does help our YouTube channel and helps us reach out to a broader audience. Back to the video. Now, the last project. This last project can be a little bit controversial, to be honest, if you ask me. So, basically, an AI dating app. Hear me out. Hear me out. I'm not done. Hear me out. So, a revolutionary dating app where AI-powered digital profiles interact and match. What does this mean? Imagine a world where we have people who have digital profiles of themselves, and these digital AI profiles of themselves are basically AI models, right? Each profile has a model behind it. And basically, these models basically chat with each other, all right? And this model actually, they know their owner and they basically chat with other people's AI models and they interact with each other. And from there, it basically interact with each other and see if it's a great match, right? And why would someone do something like this? All right. So if you've been using some dating apps, you would know swiping is very tedious. And when you swipe left, swipe right all the time and stuff like that, it can be really overwhelming, especially when we judge people mostly on pictures and stuff like that. So if our digital profiles actually talk with each other, it definitely could insinuate that there is a high probability that our real life selves would be interested in, meeting each other. Now, you would ask me, bro, how do these digital profiles know about us? So your app basically, maybe daily, you can ask maybe 3 to 5 questions to its owner just to get to know the person better. Yes? Now, as it gets to know the person better, it chats up with other women, right? It chats up with other profiles. And at the end of the day, when it is a match, of course, we find the profiles basically if the AI versions love each other. I wouldn't say love because models basically can't love each other. If there is a match with the AI versions of yourselves, then there's a slight chance that your real life selves would find interest in each other. Hear me out. Hear me out. This could be very controversial and very crazy project, but I do think that if you're working on this project, you need to, there are some privacy concerns which you need to take care of course. But I do think this project actually has been on my mind for a while now. And I just said, okay, let me put this project out there, share it with my community, and see who's going to build this, because this definitely sounds like a kind of crazy project, but I think it can, if it's actually implemented in the best way possible, if it's actually well engineered, it can actually be a really good project. Now, digital profiles autonomously engage with thousands of potential matches. That's like what I was saying. Now, AI driven conversations between profiles derive deeper compatibility insights. So this I would say an AI agent of yourself basically talks to the AI agent of thousands of other potential matches and basically derives compatibility insight. And from there, you can decide, hey, if your digital profile is basically 90% compatible with each other, then it means that there is a very big probability that your real life selves are compatible with each other. Now, users receive curated matches based on deep AI driven analysis, like I was saying, increasing chances of meaningful connections. So you would spend time swiping left, swiping right. You would focus more on doing other things, and then you would come back to the app and see, okay, my AI twin basically matches with this girl or this boy. And this means that, okay, we might have a potential of, matching or real life selves matching each other. Now, the apps basically logs and ask you some questions about yourself anytime during the day. So this project, again, like I said, this project is basically, it can sound a little bit weird, but if you implement this project really well, this could be a game changer for the AI, for dating world. And I would really love to use a project to use an app like this. I would really love to try it out. All right. So that's it pretty much about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. And guys, please, if you enjoy watching our content, you can reach out to us on Patreon and support us on Patreon so we can keep doing what we love doing. Check out our other videos, which are going to show after this outro. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.